In this demonstration, we're going to go over how to easily and quickly label a new cable that has been added into our rack. So this may be very similar to a rack that you have in your network area or equipment room inside of your facility. So as I turn over the camera to our physical location, what you can see here is we have a 4-port patch panel, and we have an open location. That would be location port 13. And we're going to apply a new label to the new cable that's just been installed. The best way to do that is using the Panduit Turntale label, and I'll show you how quick and easy that is. So right here I've got our handheld MP300 printer, and I've got our Turntale cassette. So basically it's a die-cut self-lam label for cable identification that's going to allow you to very easily move that identification label once it's been applied. So I've put in my cassette. I'm going to go ahead and power on my printer. So when it comes on, you can see that it's recognized the cassette type. And in this case, this rack is in location 1A. I'm going to put a dash, and then it's going to be patch panel B, location 13. So if you look at my screen, you can get a preview of what that looks like. And our self-laminating labels, they default to this wire marker mode. So you get the identification repeated, make it very easy to read on the label in multiple positions. But now that we have our label, we're going to go ahead and print it. So I'm just going to easily press the print button. And then here from the side, you can see that it's printing. With our die cut labels, it'll automatically cut after they have been printed. So I'm just going to remove that and then show you what that looks like. So now we have our new label that we're ready to go put on over on our cable. So over here at the patch panel, you can see that we have our new cable right here that's been terminated and ready to be plugged in. And what we're going to do, we're going to remove that Turntale label from the liner. What's great about Turntale, the way it's designed, there's a notch at the top to show you where you start labeling. So you're just going to put that on the wire first, and then you're going to fully wrap all the way around. Once fully wrapped, you just really easily, quickly rotate, and it breaks loose of its carrier. And then after that, you can easily move that label up and down the wire and rotate it for any position to make it more visible. And so in the last step, we're going to go ahead and plug it in, and then we'll just make sure we have the final alignment that we want to make it nice and legible in any position.